Hey Internet, welcome to Thermodynamics tutorial. This is a made-up question not found in your textbooks. We've got a chamber. One side is partitioned and it is emptied, so evacuated. The other side contains refrigerant 134A, a pressure of 0.9 MPa, a volume of 0.03 meters cubed. So when the divider is removed, the refrigerant expands to occupy the entire tank. We want to find the final state of the refrigerant at 20 degrees Celsius and 280 kPa. Find the total volume of the tank. Step 1, draw your free body diagram, your FBD. This will help you visualize the problem. Step 2, list all the given variables, find the unknowns. We also want to find the state as well. So total volume and state. My prediction, since it's a refrigerant and it's 20 degrees Celsius, it's most likely gonna be superheated. But that's just a prediction. Let's check the answers by doing the math. Okay. Step 3, find the tank volume formula. So volume of the tank is equal to the final volume, which is equal to mass multiplied by the final specific volume. Both of these are missing, so we need to find them. Step 4, find the mass formula. So the actual mass divided by the initial specific volume. Apologies. The actual volume divided by the specific volume to find the mass. That's what I'm trying to say. Step 5, find the initial specific volume. So that is equal to the specific volume of fluid. So that's VF. We go to the saturated table. We go to 900 kPa. And it will be 0.0008580 meters cubed per kilogram. Step 6, find the mass. Just plug and play. You'll get 34.965 kilograms. Step 7, find the final state and the specific volume. So when we find this final specific volume, we first check the saturated table. We find out the temperature and pressure is higher than the saturated. So we go to the superheated table. So our prediction is correct. It is a superheated state. So we line up 20 degrees Celsius and 0.28 MPa. We'll get 0.07997 meters cubed per kilogram. Step 8, find the tank volume. Multiply the mass with the specific final volume. We get 2.79615 meters cubed. And then if we round it to 2 decimal places, it'll be 2.80 meters cubed for your volume of the tank. Disclaimers, the method is correct. However, I do make calculation mistakes. I encourage you to solve it yourself and see if you get the same answer. Now, before we leave, I highly encourage you to save this video onto your PC just in case this video or channel gets taken down. While I follow all copyright laws, sometimes things happen. You can do this by using Snipping Tool if you never used Snipping Tool before. Follow these instructions. If you're on a Mac or Linux, use the equivalent of Snipping Tool. Go to your taskbar, click on the icon. If it's not there, go to your Windows search, type in Snipping Tool, open up the program, Click on video option, then click on new. Left click and drag the rectangle to cover the YouTube screen. This is just an example. Hit the start button. In snipping tool, wait for the countdown. Hit the replay button on YouTube. Let the video finish. Hit the red square in snipping tool. And then save your video or stop recording. And then save your video. Thanks for watching. Hope you had a great day. Be sure to like and subscribe. Share with your friends because this is a made-up question, so they probably won't be able to find it. If you got questions, comments, or if you find a mistake in this video, leave it in the comment section. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you want to support me, become a member or drop a super thanks. Until next time, see ya.